Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You can't install desktop Chrome extensions on Chrome for iOS, so start by choosing a workable path. Check your iPhone is running iOS 15 or later, and confirm Chrome is installed and signed into Google. Once decided, install Apple shortcuts and any companion app needed for your chosen method. Make sure you have a copy of the extension's bookmarklet or link ready. This lets you move from decision to action immediately without extra setup. Now build the usable tool. If the extension offers a bookmarklet, copy its JavaScript. Otherwise, create an Apple shortcut that performs the same action using web APIs. Once done, open Chrome, add a bookmark on the page you want, then edit it and paste the bookmarklet code or a URL that triggers the shortcut. If you plan to use Safari extensions instead, export or sync bookmarks to Safari so you can activate the extension there. This bridges Chrome content with iOS extension support. To finish, open the page in Chrome and tap the bookmark you created, or use the share sheet to call your shortcut if you made one. You'll see the extension-like behavior executing on the current tab. If nothing happens, make sure JavaScript is enabled, content blockers aren't preventing scripts, and your shortcut has proper permissions. If problems persist, switch to Safari or a third-party iOS browser that supports the method and test there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.